He's actually a big famous mathematician. Actually, now that I'm saying this, I think I'm mixing it up. I think this goes to Carl Gauss. Okay, so really annoying little kid in the classroom. He wasn't one of the kids that we're talking about for 12th grade, right? He was one of these little 4th graders who, like, every time the teacher tried to give an assignment out, the kid was done in like 10 seconds. You know, how does this affect your classroom management, right? What do we do about that? So the teacher said to this annoying little brat, okay, you know what I want you to do? I want you to add the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, 4th grade. Thought, okay, I'm going to get at least like 10 minutes of quiet time so the rest of my students can work right now, right? So what happened now? What did Carl Gauss do?
He added backwards.
Does anybody else kind of know this story a little bit now?
Yeah.
Have you heard it in this kind of anecdotal way? I don't know. Sometimes you just learn it as the mathematics. Sometimes Gauss kind of gets credited. But what are some? What's a trick? What might you do to speed up the process of this?
He added 100 to 1.
Okay.
100 to 2.
Right. So I'm just thinking another pen color. So he added maybe, right? He added those two and he got 101. He added those two and he got
101.
Okay, and so on, right? So then he really just kind of had to sit there and figure out how many of these things am I going to have, right? So he kind of had to puzzle in the middle. So I don't know, how might we puzzle in the middle? I'm just going to write the middle out for myself right now, okay? 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So which ones would we be pairing up? 49 would have paired with 52, right? Is that how it would have gone?
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. Does this help me understand how many 101s would we have? Let's see. They all get a pair. That one's actually would have had its pair, right? Its pair would have been somewhere over there, 53. Okay. Everywhere. Where do I need to stop? Kind of 50 maybe, right? So I could say 50 101s. And then you just did that little multiplication problem, and he was done. Started yelling in his seat again, I got it, I got it! And yeah, disrupted my classroom management for the next 8 minutes. Okay, so that's just an interruption. Does that apply to what we're doing? It's not your classroom management issue, perhaps, or maybe it is. Maybe we actually always have to deal with some kids finish something faster than others, okay? But that's just a break. You actually may find this useful for what you're doing right now, okay? So let me go back to your group, but yeah.
Follow up, doesn't he then come up with the formula also?
Yes, he did come up with a formula.
So
Okay, but I'll let you guys have it.
oh, that's
Okay?
fine, that's okay.
Okay, so go ahead and return to your group and keep going. I am going to push you to work on number 8. Okay, be working on number 8. Okay, on that sheet of questions. Okay, go ahead and work on number 8. We haven't already started. Oh, you finished?
Yes.
Wait, does finish mean that you found all possible answers?
I think so.
I think your whole patterns, yes.
Patterns.
But, okay, so like, do you have
7 numbers is divisible, is it multiple 7?
So do you have all the possible consecutive sets of numbers that would add up to 80?
Oh, you want the number? I just thought you wanted the number.
Find out. find them. Yeah. Find them. And make sure, like, are you saying there's only one set here?
We're saying that it's multiples of